Chhaya Sharma. So friends, today in my video I am back with a new chapter, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. This chapter is well known to all of you because in 9th class you have already studied about linear equation in two variables. So in this video, firstly we should know about what is linear equation in two variables. So friends, an equation which can be written in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is known as linear equation in two variables. So friends, now take one example, that is 2x plus 5y is equals to 14. So friends, for solving these types of example, we should know what is our LHS part and what is our RHS part. So there, our RHS part is 14. So we should put the values of x and y according to getting our RHS part. So for getting our RHS part, we will put here x equals to 2 and y equals to 2. By solving these types of question, we should take the values of x and y. So now I am solving here these types of question, that how to solve this. See, I am putting here the values of x and y as 2 and here also 2 is equals to 14. And we should get this solution is equals to 14 is equals to RHS. Always remember that we should only solve our LHS part to get our RHS part in these types of examples and questions. So now 2 into 2 equals to 4 plus 10. So it is equals to 14 is our RHS part. So we get our RHS part here. For solving this, we should always remember that we have to see our LHS part and RHS part. So for these types of questions, we should take our x and y values as that we can get our RHS part. So friends, it was the example that is very easy and well known to all of you. So now we should move to our next topic, that is graphical representation of linear equation two variables. So graphical representation is already well known to you, that is geometrical representation. And you have already read that in 9th class that how to represent in this graph. So for solving these types of question, we should also show this in graph and plot the points in the graph. So how can we do this? I am taking here example 2x plus 3y equals to 5. So we can solve this example as this. So we can get here 5 easily by putting the values of x and y correctly. So here I am putting the value of x is 1 and the value of y is also 1. By solving this, we can get here 5. So I am solving this. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So we are getting our RHS part easily. So now, this is the lesson pair of linear equation two variables. So we can get the pair in our question. So now, another type of solution is 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. Now we are taking here x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. See, the values I am taking here in each question that we should plot in our graph. That is known as the graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. So I am solving this also here. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. So 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Now make this x equals to 1 and here also x equals to 1. In both the solution we are getting x equals to 1 and the value of y is also 1 and 1. So we are getting this, the value of 1 and 1. The value of x and y is here 1 and 1. So these values we need to plot in our graph. For the representation of graph, we need the true straight lines and both should be considered together. For this we have three properties, that is first intersect, second is parallel, and third is coincident. So these lines can be intersecting, these lines can be parallel, and these lines can be coincident. The lines that are given for us in the graph that can be intersecting to each other, that can be parallel to each other, and that can be coincident to each other. For this point, related to this point, I will give the video. In my next video, I will tell about these topics, intersecting, parallel and coincident. Friends, you may have seen in the earlier and 9th class about the graphical representation and linear equation two variables. But you have not seen about these types of tables. What are intersecting, what are parallel, and what are coincident. So I will tell you in my next video about these topics, these three topics. These are the main topics of my upcoming video. So please wait for my upcoming video. And if you are liking this video and understanding this topic, this was the intro of topic, pair of linear equation in two variables. So please like the video, share this video to your friends by which they can also understand the intro of this chapter, and subscribe this channel. And if you are having any type of doubts, so please comment to me your doubts. Thank you.